Now that we have your three-part topic sentence, we're going to talk about those transition sentences that go before each ICA in our body paragraph. These are the light green sentences that are going to show us what's coming next, a transition, right? Okay. So to do so, we have a couple things we're going to do. First, we're going to take one of those three parts from our topic sentence and we're going to break it down. To do this, we need two different things. We'll need a transition word as well as words from the prompt to make it a complete sentence. All right, so again, transition word, words from the prompt, complete sentence. Let's take a look at what that means. In your notebook, we have these on page 33. They are pink. These transition words are really helpful when we're looking at writing this transition sentence. So my first one could start with one of these, and then second and third could start with these. There are more, but these are to help you get started, okay? So I know I'm going to be writing my first one, so I might say to start, to begin, first, write one of those. Here's our topic sentence that we did in our notes, right? So in the novel Whirligig by Paul Fleischman, Brett impacts others by, and then hit the three parts. Making bad decisions when he drinks at the party, fights Chaz, and gets in the car when he is intoxicated. Okay, so we know that in this we're trying to prove that he impacts others when he makes bad decisions. To write that first sentence here, I am going to use a transition word for here. I said first, and then I'm going to break down the small piece here, which is when he drinks at the party. Brent impacts others when he drinks at the party. Impacts others is going to be straight from that prompt, which is also in my topic sentence. This now will transition into my introduce quote, and analysis. Okay? If we take a look at your mentor text, which is on that next page of your notebook, right? It looks like this, and it's on 34. Same idea here, and we made this color-coded in class. So here we can see it's the same prompt, but we used House on Mango Street for this one instead. But same idea here. So the topic sentence says, in the novella House on Mango Street by Sandra Cisneros, the main character Esperanza's identity is impacted by her neighborhood, her neighbors, and her family history. Then I know that these are the three things that I'm going to talk about. I need a transition word as well as words from the prompt here. So here I would have to add that word first to make this correct. The thing that impacts Esperanza's identity is her neighborhood, a low-income neighborhood that she's not thrilled to live in. So that's first going to show the first impact is her neighborhood. Additionally, I'm going to go down here once I have my ICA. I'm looking for her neighbors. So I'm going to have a whole sentence that literally tells me now I'm going to talk about her neighbors before I introduce my quote, before the quote or analysis. Additionally, Esperanza's neighbors impact her identity by making her feel isolated. Boom, we have the impact here again and how that looks. Finally, the last one we're going to say is her family history. So after that ICA, I need to then tell my reader, guess what? Now I'm talking about family history. Furthermore, Esperanza's identity is impacted negatively by her family history. So again, I talk specifically about what I say in my topic sentence in the prompt, and then I move into the ICA. You're now going to try a quick bonus activity that's going to help you understand and check your own work to make sure you have those things.